I'm going to show you some tips and tricks which is very important for you guys who is beginner for YouTuber and who cannot upload a video from YouTube Studio. So I'm going to show you how to upload a video with YouTube Studio. So here we go. First of all, you should open your YouTube application. First you should upload from here, then you should go to your channel, then upload a video. You should choose a video which one you want to upload, then select and tap next. It's going to be upload. Then you can put your title over here. As you can see, I'm going to show, and I'm going to create a title, how to get a 3D shoulder. So this is my title. I'm going to show you. If you like my video, hit the subscribe button and press the like button and stay tuned with me. Well then, as you can see, I already put my title over here and select next, and I have to select private or unlisted. If you do public, then it will be submit, like it will be upload from YouTube, but you didn't upload from the YouTube Studio. So select the private, then tap next. If you want to make a kid video, then you should put a kid. If you don't, then you should select it's not for kid, then upload it. Okay, then I'm going to back YouTube Studio app. So if I refresh this, then my video will be uploading here. As you can see, first one is my new video. So I can edit this video right now, so I can add a thumbnail over from here. See, you can see. So I can customize my thumbnail. So I'm going to put my thumbnail over here, so I can add a description from here. So it's already done. So if I add more description, so I can add from here, and I have to publish this video, otherwise it will be not public video publish. So you should remember this thing. So here we go, it's already done. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.